Hi P3, we're back again, back on HBL. So today we're going to do some gymnastic style kind of work. We're going to look at L sits today. L sit is kind of like where you're engaging your core and you're sitting, L sits, V sits, where you're engaging your core and you're making like a V sign, or you can come up to an L sit here. So what we're going to do, we're going to start off very simply. I've got beanbags here, but you can use a ball like we did last time, or a sock. All I want you to do is pick up the beanbag with your feet, and you're going to pass it to your hand. And you're going to place, try and pick up the ball with your feet, bring your feet to your hand, and catch it. Try not to fall backwards, okay? You want to stay seated. So one more time, put the beanbag in between your hand. You're going to bring your feet to your hand and bring your beanbag into your hands, okay? That's activity 1. Activity 2, you might need some cones, or you could use maybe some boxes, or you could use just a book or something, just like a marker. So this one, I need 5 little cones, or 5 little books, or 5 little boxes, and 5 little balls. Similar thing, okay? I'm going to get into my L sit or V sit, okay? I'm going to close the beanbag. I need to come a bit closer. Close the beanbag in between my feet, and I'm going to place it slowly onto the cone. Move across. I'm going to close the beanbag, or grab the beanbag with my feet. L sit, stretch, and put it onto the cone. Same thing. Grab the beanbag with your feet. Straight feet. Stay nice and upright. Don't fall backwards. Don't fall forwards. And place it onto the cone. Okay. Activity 2. Activity 3. So this one is quite tricky. I'm going to put a cone or a bucket or something like that. I'm going to grab my balls or my beanbags or my socks. Okay, I'm going to grab the beanbag with my feet. And I'm going to try and launch it into the cone or the bucket. Grabbing my beanbag, sit nice and tall, legs nice and straight. Bring my legs into my butt. Boom. Okay, that's number 3. And the 4th one, you need a bucket, 2 buckets this time. I'm going to use 2 cones because I'm in school. I'm going to put one in front of me, one behind me. Well, this is going to be tricky. Actually, probably only need 1. I'm going to L sit. This time we are going to fall backwards into an L sit, V sit. And I'm going to bring the beanbag. I'm going to try and get into that cone. Oh, I missed. So in between your feet, L sit, V sit, bring it back, try and get into the cone. Oh, I missed. Need to go a bit further away. Straight legs, straight arms, straight legs, straight legs, straight legs. Did it go in? Okay, that's activity 4. So this one, I'm going to remind you, actually I don't need to remind you, you can rewind the video. So make sure you're in an L sit or a V sit. Your feet are straight, pointing your toes, hands by your ears, nice and straight. I don't want this, or this, or this, or this, nice and straight. Okay, give it a go.